So as we go into our emissions section, there's a lot of different topics we're going to cover. We're going to cover quite a few of the different after-treatment systems. So if you take a look at a modern common rail diesel engine, you can see the exhaust system has got a lot more different pieces and parts in there. And it's all there to meet stricter, tighter emission standards. We don't just simply have a normal two-way cat anymore. We got a two-way cat in conjunction with a particulate filter, as well as an SCR catalyst. Many times we'll have a lean NOx trap. And we got a bunch of different sensors that we use in conjunction with these parts in order to validate and confirm whether the components are working properly, such as various temperature sensors, measuring temperature before and after the catalyst, before and after the filters. We'll have wideband sensors, NOx sensors to confirm that our SCR catalyst is reducing the NOx emissions. We'll have pressure sensors before and after our particulate filter to determine whether the filter is plugged or not. We may have an exhaust valve in there to help build up exhaust back pressure and heat in the exhaust system. We may have a dosing module to inject urea into the exhaust system for the SCR catalyst. So we'll take some time and dive into each one of these components a little bit closer. Well, what are the challenges in the exhaust system? What is the manufacturers always going after? It's the reduction of the harmful byproducts. They're trying to reduce the CO. They're trying to reduce the hydrocarbons, trying to reduce the particulate matter as well as the NOx level emissions. And we have different parts of the exhaust system to control each piece of that puzzle right there. And what it really comes down to is if you take a look at this pie chart, here is a sample of what the exhaust gas would look like coming out of a diesel engine. You know, after we've had a burning process, 75% of it is nitrogen, 15% of it is oxygen. Again, we got an engine that's breathing in a lot more oxygen than it needs, so I have a surplus of oxygen left over. 7% CO2, 2.6% water. And within that less than 1/10%, the following pollutants are the ones we're trying to control. The CO, the NOx, the hydrocarbon, the particulate matter. So you can see in the whole piece of the pie, it's a very, very, very small sliver of pollutants we're trying to reduce coming out the tailpipe of these vehicles.